Hello students, this is Kavitha from G.k.Jain school. Today I am going to teach you control structures in C language for the class 9th.
Now we are going to discuss about the decision making statements in C. This decision making statements also known as selection control structure or conditional structures. And in our daily life we encounter situation where you want to make a decision. It may be your favorite food or it may be a color of your new car. Whatever it may be, you have to make a decision. That wise we have to make a decision in C programming also. So in C programming you may encounter such situations where you need to make a decision. The conditions in C language will help you. The selection control structure allows a decision to be made on a condition. Depending on the result of the condition, program execution proceeds from one direction to another. C primarily provides the following three types of conditional or decision making structure. First one is if statement, second one is if else statement, and third one is switch case statement. Now we will discuss one by one. First, if statement. First we are going to see if statement. The if statement facilitates to check a particular condition. If the condition is true, then the specific block of code gets executed. If that condition is false, the control will come out from the if statement. This flow chart will help us to know about the if statement clearly. Here we are going to check a condition here. If this condition is true, this true block will be executed. If the condition gets false, the loop will get terminated. That is, it will come out from the if statement. Okay? This is the syntax for the if statement. If, condition, statement 1, statement 2 and etc. You can write more than one statement inside the blocks. Here we are going to check the condition first. If the given condition is true, the statement that is given within the braces will be executed. That is, the true branch will be executed. Otherwise, the control will come out from the if statement. The condition is any expression that evaluates true or false. The condition is any expression that evaluates to true or false. Now we will see it with an example. This is a program to find the greatest number between two numbers. Program to find the greatest number between two numbers. First we will learn with a flow chart and then we will learn with a program. First we have to give a start and then get an input from the user. Here we have to get an input from the user. Here we have to check the condition. Check if A greater than B. If A greater than B, print A is greater than B. If condition is false, print B is greater than A. If condition is true, print A is greater than will be printed. If the condition is false, this print B is greater than A will be printed. Here we got the result. Next we will see with this example with a program. This is the example for if statement. This program is to find the greatest number among two numbers. First we have to include the stdio.conio.h, all the header files which we need into our program we have to include first. After that, here we have declared A and B as a integer variables. Next, the printf statements is printed. Enter two numbers will be printed on our screen. After it will be printed, we have to give the input for A and B. Then the computer executes the program, when the computer executes the program, it checks the condition with the given values A and B. Here A is greater than B means this printf statement, the first one will be printed. If A is greater than B is false means this will be printed. Now I am giving a value for A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. Okay, here 4 is greater than 5. The condition is going to check. This condition gets false. So this statement only going to be print. This statement will not be printed. That is A is greater will not be printed. B is greater. B, what is the value of B? 5. 5 is greater will be printed. Okay, is it clear? Next, if else statement. The if statement works pretty good, but if you want to work with more variables and more data, the if statement comes into if else statement comes into play. Then in the if statement only one block of code executes after the condition is true. But in if else statement there are two blocks of code. One is for handling the success and other is for failure condition. Next we will learn with the flowchart. See, this flowchart will help you to get it clearly. This is start. Next, here we have going to check a condition. This condition is true. This true block will be executed. If the condition is false, this block will be executed. After completing true or false block, the next statement will be executed. Okay, next we will see syntax. This is the syntax for if else statement. If condition, if the condition is true, this block will be executed. This is known as true block. If else, this block will be executed. This is known as false block. So, once the condition is true, the true block will be executed. Once the condition is false, the false block will be executed. Now we will learn it with the example program. Okay. Next, this is a flow chart for the program to find whether the given number is odd or even. Here we are getting an input from the user. After getting the input, here we are checking a condition. That is, given number is true or false. We are checking a condition. If the condition is true, the print A is even will be printed. If the condition is false, the print A is odd will be executed. After completing the if statements, next it continues the execution of the other statement. Next, this is the program to find the given number is odd or even. First we have include stdio.h and conio.h. Next we have declared A as integer variable. Then input the A value, that is getting an input from the user. Next we are checking a condition A percentage 2 is equal to 0. This percentage symbol is used to get a reminder from the division. That is, A is divided by 2, and if any reminder is there, that reminder value is going to check with the value of 0. That is the that is the work of the percentage. If this is true, the print of A is even will be printed. If this statement is false, this will be printed, and after completing this, the program will be executed to the next statement. Now I am giving a 5 as a input for the A value. Here what this condition will do means the 5 will be divided by 2. 5 will be divided by 2. What is the answer when we are dividing 5 by 2? There is an answer is 2. Answer is 2. But this percentage will not give the division answer. That is, it will not give the quotient. It will give the remainder. That is, the 1 is the remainder. Now, the 1 is going to check with the 0. Is 1 is equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Then this statement will be printed. Okay, I will explain this with another example. Now I am giving 10 as an input for A. Now what the if condition will do? 10 percentage 2. 10 percentage 2 means 10 will be divided by 2 and the answer is 5. The answer is 5 will not be checked with the 0. The remainder will be 0 for this condition. So the 0 is going to check with the 0. So this is true. Now this printf, the given number 10 is even will be printed. Okay. This is all about the if statement and if else statement.
I hope you understood what I taught today. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you want more educational videos, please subscribe our channel G.k.Jain School. Thank you all. Meet you soon in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.